What's up, foodie fam? We back here, man. Back, Roadie Foodie. Welcome back to our channel. Take a moment here to like, share, and subscribe. Again, if you're, we're doing the 100 local restaurants in 100 days. We have a specific playlist for that, so go check that out. This is for like new products that are coming out. Some of the national brands. DQ came out with a Piñata Party Blizzard, I think it was called. So you'll see that in the descriptions. Essentially, pink soft serve, cake pieces, cake batter pieces, icing, whipped cream, confetti, candy, sprinkles. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of hot outside. It's melted. Now, supposedly, and I saw this online, it's supposed to come with like whipped cream and extra sprinkles. But right now, man, especially this day and age, you kind of have to just get what you get. I don't know if the guys just ran out, or maybe that they're just not doing the whipped cream in this market. I have no idea. So when I saw that, I was like, man, it doesn't look pretty. I had to go back. They're doing this like 2 for $4 thing. I know this ain't a food video. This is more of a Blizzard video, but I was hungry, man. I haven't eaten all day. So let's go down the hatch. Here we go. I don't know if you can see. See the chunks in there? Man, this is sweet. Man, sweet tooth. I just spit out a piece of batter. So I think this came out like a few days ago. I don't know, maybe the team just didn't know. They're so used to like just making like the regular blizzards. This is kind of like a limited time thing. But it's good though, man. I'll give them credit though. It's still good. DQ Piñata. Got a little piñata on me right here. Know what I mean? But they had this like, so I was in the drive-thru, and again, we typically stay to like local restaurants, but we're trying to do this new series, kind of fast food, all the way to farm to table and everything in between is what we're trying to categorize everything as. But this Blizzard, I mean, honestly, I think it was like $3 and change. I mean, I think I would have been a little more impressed if it had like the whipped cream with the sprinkles. I was trying to get some really good footage of it, but it's still good. I was in line, and I was like, I'm hungry too. I've never really eaten at DQ. It's I can see it from here. I don't have my glasses on, but it's across the street. It's a DQ Grill and Chill. So I was like, I'm like nervous. I don't want to get like a full meal here, but they have this thing where it's like 2 for $4, and it had like nuggets, tenders, papa fritas, soda, a bunch of other things on there. So I was like, you know what? Let me give it a shot. I haven't eaten all day. Can't eat just ice cream. I mean, you could, but you probably shouldn't. So I was like, you know what? Let me get the cheeseburger. So this looks like kind of like a McDonald's cheeseburger. I don't even know what's in it. Oh yeah, this is definitely Mickey D's. Just nothing really too fancy. Cheese, burger. Looks like a pickle. A little extra mustard down the hatch. Wow, that's a lot of mustard. That is a lot of mustard. Still in my throat. Sorry about that, guys. I had to kind of stop the video there. I was choking on mustard. Oh, all right. Let's get back into it. Down the hatch. It's like a mustard cheeseburger sandwich. Or a cheeseburger sando. Holy guacamole. I don't know. I'll give them another shot. All right, let's get into this chili cheese dog. 2 for $4. Good amount of chili, good amount of cheese. Down the hatch. All right. I mean, it's $4. You got 4 pesos laying around. Yeah, 4, 8, 12, 16. You got 16 quarters laying around. Go to DQ, get a cheeseburger and a hot dog. I mean, you're getting what you pay for, though. All right, let's finish this off. Party Piñata. I'm not impressed. I'm going to be honest with you. I might have to... I'll try ordering again a different day. Oh man, DQ. I really wanted to enjoy this. Yeah, even the I don't know if it's because I keep eating it. I'm the most positive person in the world too, man. I really want to give them a 2 thumbs up. How about this? I'll focus on the positives. I got 2 things for $4. $4. And I got and I love soft serve, so we'll stick with those positives, guys. I don't know, maybe they make it, you know, I think it's just a bad day. But I love whipped cream. I mean, when he handed it to me, you know when you order something, you're so excited. And then when you get it, you're like, oh, damn. And it's a drive-through, right? They're not doing, it's not like I could have went inside and been like, hey, do you mind adding? Doesn't it come with? It's like a huge line outside. So like I wasn't going to be that guy, you know? Thank God I spent the extra $4 because my favorite thing of this meal is this chili cheese dog. It's hard to mess up a chili cheese dog, though. Dog, chili, cheese, ship it down the hatch. It's a pretty good dog, too. All beef. But again, you got $4. You're hungry. There's been a couple of times in my life when I was younger, I only had $4. But I went to DQ. All right, guys. Post-meal Q&A. Have you guys seen our other videos? Trying to mix this in. Box of questions. Let's see what I have here. So there's proof. All right. If it's a question that we've already asked, I won't do it. All right. So, what? It says, what fruit or vegetable would you be? I don't know if you can see that. Fruit or vegetable? We're going to do 2 questions, too. So, by the way, just to paint the photo, to this side of me, where I'm leaning my head, there's like an old 1950s truck that just pulled up. Guy came out. As I was choking on mustard, I think he was like cleaning it up, and I think he's showing it to a guy. I always find these parking lots. And I'm telling you, man, I must attract people because he's over here looking at it. So it's quite the scene out here in Attleboro. By the way, every other car, I think it's North Attleboro, every other car is a pickup. Reminds me of Smithfield. So, if fruit, I would be a mango. Yeah. I would be a mango, baby. Never had a bad mango. Even a non-super ripe mango is delicious. And it's hard to get. You have to work for it, but it's worth it. None of those are metaphors for me, by the way, so don't even read into that. But man, mangoes, put a little chili on it. There's like 3 or 4 different ways that you can make it. It's just delicious. As far as a veggie, I mean, avocado all day. In season, out of season, you can put that on anything, makes a meal. It's just like bacon. You can put that on a meal. Boom, beepity boop. All right, question number 2. Box, proof. All right, there we go. Second questione. What's the most interesting thing you've read or seen this week? Ooh. What's the most interesting thing you've read or seen this week? The most interesting thing. I will say, people are probably going to get mad because I'm not answering the question directly, but I discovered Reddit about maybe 2 years ago. I know it's been around forever, but I was just like, I always thought it was like a weird website with like weird things on it. Why? For no reason. But when I discovered Reddit, there's a section called TIL, which stands for Today I Learned. So if you guys ever want, like, I read Reddit every time right before I go to bed. It's like just my thing that I do every single night. I get comfortable. I get in my side. You know how you position yourself on your side? I put a little pillow or blanket in between my knees. I'm on my side. I'm curled up, ready to rock and roll, ready to just go in that dreamland. And then, boom. Let me get that Reddit. Popular. Scroll up and down. Refresh it. Just scroll down, man. You get all the information you'll ever need. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm pretty much done with this thing. Good thing I got a small. I would have been sad if this was larger with no whipped cream. I need my whipped cream, son. So today I learned. So, there's a lot of really cool stuff on there. Reddit is just, it's, what's their moniker? The homepage of the internet? The newspaper of the, they have a really cool, like, motto. But anyways, check them out. Reddit, start an account. I'm going to get going. Oh my God. I feel so bad because I hate being. I just had a piece of batter that tasted kind of freezer burned. Oh, DQ. I'm going to come back. I'm one of those people that will try and will try a place a few times to not judge it on just one visit. Again, first time at DQ. I feel like I've had DQ before. I just haven't had DQ grill and chill. That's what it says, grill and chill. So I'll try it again. I'll get the piñata one. I'll see if maybe I'll go busy time and see if I can ask them, hey, do you guys mind jazzing it up, making it look like the photo? Can I at least get whipped cream? And take it from there. But again, guys, thank you for watching. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know what your favorite blizzards are at DQ. When I go back, obviously, I'm probably going to get a couple of them, taste test a little bit, and kind of spread the love. But let me know, let me know if your DQ puts whipped cream on it. I feel like I'm sounding like such a diva, but I'm... But I was really excited. Anyways, the blizzard was about 3 and change. You get to 2 for $4. Thank God I discovered that. And until next time, guys, just be well, eat well, and take care of each other.